The millions are commanded by those who have millions in their pocket. That's what we call the mainstream media. Now, who owns the big media? You must all know. I won't dwell too long on that. There are, I think it's down to 6 giant conglomerates that own all the major television outlets, radio stations, magazine and book publishing. And we know the names of the press lords: Hearst, Luce, Murdoch, Sulzberger, Annenberg, and the like. All of them of markedly conservative persuasion, and they leave their ideological imprint on both news and editorial content. Rupert Murdoch described himself once in an interview not as a conservative, he said, but a radical conservative. Now, radical conservative is really a euphemism for extreme conservative. He's saying, I'm not just your conservative, I'm really going for broke. He was once also asked in an interview, you're considered to be politically conservative. To what extent do you influence the editorial posture of your newspapers? And he responded with refreshing candor. He said, considerably. Now, usually they say, oh, no, I respect the journalistic integrity and independence of the editors and all. He didn't say that. He didn't give us that blather. He said, considerably. My editors have input, but I make the final decisions. And when he bought the Wall Street Journal just recently, he said, I'm not paying you $5 billion not to have my opinions in there. I mean, he openly says that. The boards of directors of the print and broadcast mainstream news organizations are populated by representatives from Ford, General Motors, General Electric, Alcoa, Coca-Cola, Philip Morris, ITT, IBM, AT&T, and all sorts of other mainstream corporations. They all sit on the boards. Among the 3 major stockholders of the mainstream media are Chase Manhattan's, J.P. Morgan, and Citibank.